Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can build a monitor cover for the power supply on your NZXT H1. Roll the intro.
I'm about to play Smash, trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.
So I had a couple prototypes. The first one was just a solid with no hole. This was my first attempt. I had the sliver here which worked, but I needed more space on all the edges. This didn't fit properly, so it was still, it was too small. Then on my second attempt the same thing happened, so I just had to make it bigger, and I got to this one. This one fits perfectly. You'll see that from the different iterations I ended up moving the square closer towards where the part clicks into the power supply holder. And this was simply because the HDMI on this is not going to leave much room for me to have it connected. So I just needed to make room for that. Unfortunately, it is a little bit off-center. So we'll see how that looks, but I might end up fixing it in the future. Here's the power supply cover, which you just remove like that. So here's the old one, and here is going to be the new one. So it's basically the same size. We'll see how it works out though, because I know that the wires in here can get in the way, so let's see how that turns out. Now hopefully this should work, at least in terms of getting it to fit. Okay, it pops out a little bit, but I'm sure that once the glass is back on, that should be mostly resolved, but let's see if maybe I can fix that. Okay, there we go. It's mostly flat. It's not perfect, but I'll look to see what I can do in the future. This will just be temporary. Now I need to just get an HDMI cord and a micro USB cord for the display to power it on, and then route that through the case. guys, so it's finished. So now you should be able to install a Raspberry Pi display into your NZXT H1, or honestly this could work for several different computers. You would have to use a different plate to hold it though, so it really depends on your case. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up keeping this. The 3.5-inch display is pretty small. It's not really, and honestly in my case I kind of like a cleaner setup. I'm not sure if I really like the display being in my computer. I tried putting Rain Meter or NZXT Cam on there. I didn't end up really liking the look of either of them. I'm sure there's a theme on Rain Meter that would probably look great, but I just ended up feeling like it just felt a little not really in my aesthetic. But the one thing that I kind of liked how it looked was playing videos on there. So having little animations, like looping animations or something like that, that would probably look really cool. But still, I'd rather have the original power supply plate just clean than looking there. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure to freaking smash that like button and go ham on that subscribe button. Make sure to check out my other hot vids. Of course, I have a lot more coming out. You know, I'm on a super consistent schedule. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.